Can you still post content on your Google Business Profile? The short answer is yes, you can. These Google Business Profile posts allow business owners to create and share updates, offers, events, and other announcements directly with their audiences or customers. And as you can see, this is an example of where the posts are getting featured. This is one of the lawyers here I'm showing you this on, and the example of where the posts go and the type of posts that go in here. And then I'm going to show you a cosmetic implants dentistry here. And here's the posts, all featured on the Google Business Profile. Now, these posts here don't just appear in a Google search, they also appear in the Google Maps. And the way Google looks at these posts is that business providing a way to communicate directly with its potential and existing customers. Here are 5 types of posts that you can do on your Google Business Profile. You can make updates, which cover general information about your business, such as new services or changes in your operations. You can create offers, for example, promotional sales or discounts that require a title, start, and an end date, and may even include additional details like coupon codes. You can also offer events. Who doesn't like events? Some businesses, many businesses provide information about upcoming events at, their business, including titles, dates, and the times when the events are going to be hosted. You can also feature products. This can be information about your new or featured products on your website, or whatever your in-store offerings are. And lastly, photos and videos. Visual content is huge, and it is a great way to gauge your customers. Now, you might ask, what are the benefits of posting on your Google Business Profile? Let me tell you. It'll give your business increased visibility in the local radius. So you're going to want to regularly post, which can help improve your business's visibility in the local search results, ultimately helping your business pop up for more relevant keywords. So you might ask, what are the benefits of posting on your Google Business Profile? Well, one to start with is increased visibility. If you're regularly posting, it can help improve your business's visibility in the local search results, and possibly even contribute to your business profile ranking for more relevant keywords related to your service or products. Also, posting there will allow your business to engage with your audience directly by sharing timely and relevant information with them. And ultimately, it will enhance your customer experience, because by providing up-to-date information, your business can improve customer satisfaction and even decision making. Next, I will show you how to post on your Google Business Profile. If you want to know how to post on your Google Business Profile, please click the video in my end screen annotation. I will also leave a link down below the description of this video.